Peace, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. This one's about tarot cards and what are some benefits of working with tarot. Well, we're gonna just go over a short list. I'm not going to go over everything that's in this article, but I'm gonna tell you some ideas that I came up with that drew me to tarot, the benefits of working with tarot. Of course, you know I'm Queen Sarita. We're in the next lesson. But this is a bonus one because it just came up. This is something that may help you to keep being inspired to use and learn tarot and to continue doing readings, continue learning, continue being, excited about tarot and curious. Some of the benefits that I know that have worked for me is doing readings on personal development, life planning, making important decisions, love matters, business, relationship, career, what thing to do first, second, third, fourth, fifth, making decisions. What else? Looking at the underlining motives, in a situation. Also looking at what my real motivations are for doing things. Looking to see where the benefits are in doing something. What choice should I make? What to do now versus later. I mean, there's so many different things that you can do one-on-one. You can do it for using tarot. I'd say a benefit is knowing what's going to happen, what's coming up, knowing yourself that much more, and having a better understanding of yourself. On the spiritual journey, tarot cards can help you to understand what's going on and get deeper insight, meaning from your life, how to know others better. If you are someone who is good with holistic healing and stuff like that, you can use tarot and it'll help with looking at the energy of the chakras and things like that. Make better decisions. You can, heal and work with your inner child, clear and do shadow work, get rid of things that don't serve you anymore, embrace more of the things that do serve you, find your life purpose, your destiny. Look to see what the best way is for you to go into direction wise. Look to see where the least amount of resistance is, to choose a lover, to choose a place to travel, to choose a place to go to vacation, to all kind of stuff. To be more into your creativity also. You can use tarot to contact people from the other side and also connect with your ancestors, spirit. Who else, y'all? People who have passed. You can grow and be more, what's the word that I want to use? Abundant, prosperous. You can also use tarot to be more positive also. And also you can use tarot to look at how your life is going to be now versus later. You can look at how people really are feeling. You can see things clearer in the world overall with tarot. And you can get over blockages and fears and things that have been holding you back. Find the best job for you. Find out what your talents are. Find out what you're best suited for in the world. Find out what you're most excited about doing. You can look at tarot to give yourself guidance, save money, to make money, to grow your money. You can also use tarot to look at your communication with others, how to communicate better with them. You can live life with more purpose, find a way to connect with life better. Use tarot for inspiration and gratitude, for creative, for a creative spark, for, also enhancing your intuition, to also enhance your psychic gifts, to see what your psychic gifts are. You can use it to encourage yourself every day in a positive way, no matter what the card is. You can look at your life in a more objective way, make better decisions, and make decisions and move on things in a more timely manner. Also, to stop procrastinating and to clear your energy. So, yeah, that's some of the things you can use tarot for as far as the benefit. Let me see if there's something else I can share with you all right now. How to decorate a house, what type of house, what type of move you'd like, the type of style you'd like, your personality, other people's personalities, people's tendencies, where people are in their life presently versus later. And yes, I know it does take time to work with tarot to really experience all the benefits of it, but sometimes just knowing, that you can benefit from it in many ways, especially spiritual growth too, personal growth, and working with a professional who knows how to work with tarot also can really help you to stay motivated and encouraged on your life path in many ways. Education, it can help you to expand with your education in various ways too, and to break out of boxes that you've been in, and to clear things up like debts and things like that you don't want anymore. How to connect with nature better, how to become more balanced overall emotionally and physically and spiritually, intuitively, all that good stuff. How to be more romantic, how to be more close to yourself, how to love yourself, how to have a better routine in life. So, yeah, be more healthy, lots of things. I'm not a doctor, but I do know how to use tarot to help you get more balance in your life, health wise, love, business, all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, those are some of the benefits of working with tarot. And also, it can help you to make sense of your own ideas for writing, for creative efforts, for writing a book. I've used tarot for even writing books, doing art, singing songs, using a tarot card as the inspiration for a song. I mean, the ways you can use tarot are really virtually endless. So we will talk in the next one. Just wanted to give you this quick one real quick, and let me know what you all feel. What are some of the benefits of working with tarot for you? What do you love about working with tarot, or the benefits of it for you that draw you to working with it? And peace, y'all.